In front of me is REALME C73 and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by going into Play Store and download any app you wish to set up as your new default one. In my case, Chrome browser. When your app is ready, exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. Then scroll down a tiny bit to click on Apps. Hit Default App here and pick one of those sections you wish to manage. In my case, Browser app. Now click on an app you wish to apply and when you finish, go back. As you can see, after that my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!